Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head review between these two video editor platform, which is Descript and Premiere Pro. So in this video we're going to dive into it. We're going to help you decide which of these video editor is best for you and safer to use. So let's quickly get started. So talking about Descript is perfect for creators who want quick text-based editing without the complexity of a full timeline. It's ideal for podcast, tutorial, and social clip, fast, smart, and easy to use with built-in transcription and AI voice tools. The downside is that it lacks deep control for advanced effect or color grading, which make it less suitable for professional film styles project. So talking about Premiere Pro, on the other hand, it remains the industry powerhouse for detailed editing and cinematic control. It offers advanced effect, grading, and full creative freedom, but comes with a steeper learning curve and higher cost. If you value speed and simplicity, you can go with Descript, but if you need full professional power, Premiere Pro wins in the aspect. So the basic need depends on how you need or what the kind of work you want to use it for. But I suggest you go for Premiere Pro because that is industry standard. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Don't hit the notification button and subscribe for more review.